Hey guys, how's it going? Just wanted to make another video because I ran into a bit of an issue working on this Echo 1 MTC, the one that I broke in that last video. I just wanted to share this because, I don't know, it's late and I'm kind of annoyed that I run into this problem. So, why not share it with the whole internet? So, on the Echo 1, so per the customer's request on the rebuild of this gun, I'm going to be using the Modify ceramic bearings and replacing the shitty old ones that spin with way too loosely. But my problem is that, okay, so then this is the left side of the gearbox shell. You can see that the 8mm hole is cut in, and it's cut or chamfered with, or I don't know, reamed, I guess would be the best word, or cast with this little hole right here. And the reason for that being is that when you take the bearing and you push it in, it sits, flush or relatively flush with the rest of the gearbox. Don't know, yeah, relatively flush with the rest of the gearbox, leaving you enough room to shim and adjust heights and stuff like that on the gears. However, moving on to the right side of the gearbox shell, you can still see where they had, I guess, the cast line for this, but it's not. It's, if anything, it's raised up from the gearbox shell. So the problem is that, well, first of all, the Modify bearings were just a little bit too thick, I guess, and the paint on the inside of the bushing hole, when they cast and they painted the gearbox, it was too tight for the bearing to fit in comfortably, so I had to take a small file and just quickly sand it out on the inside, just a little bit, not enough to make a difference, but just enough so I could squeeze this in. Problem being is that now, when I press the bearing in, look at how far the flanges on the bearing, or crap, I'm not sure if I can get this to focus yet. Look how far the flanges on the bearing come up off of the gearbox shell. This is leaving like the equivalent of like a 0.1mm, maybe 0.1.5mm shim on the top, and it's making it impossible for me to shim these Bravo gears that I got with the gun. Ideally, this would be something that's reamed out equally on both sides. That makes the most sense, but I don't know really what I'm going to do with this now. I'm not sure if it's the gear set that's not going to be compatible with the gearbox shell, or if it's the bearings that are not going to be compatible with the gearbox shell, or if I need to get a new shell. I don't really know at this point. I'm just sort of like, I don't know what to do. So just thought I'd share that with you guys in case anyone was thinking about picking up a Echo 1/JG G36. You might need to be careful when replacing the bushings and bearings on these V3 shells. Alright, talk to you later, guys.